Welcome back, everybody. Stephanie Weaver joining us now. Stephanie, a little bit of sad news for me. My petition to combine June and July into 1 month, no signatures. Basically, everyone here thinks it's a terrible idea. So,
yes, it's a terrible idea.
It is. But
But
the weather's
June and
kind
July,
of the same.
yeah, it is kind of the same. I see where you're getting with that. But July, the first week of July, a lot of times we get that monsoon rain. So we get a lot more rain in July than we do in June. But let's take a little look back at the month of June, shall we? A little climate report, if we will. It was the 5th longest dry streak this June, 106 days. We could definitely feel the heat and feel the dry air the first half of June, but as we look at the second half, we had the 11th wettest June on record and the 5th wettest June day. Just that day alone picked up almost a quarter of an inch of rain. So we definitely got the rain in the second portion of the month, but we were also the 14th warmest June on record, that 1.7 degrees above the average for this time of year. And it was certainly quite warm today, but we were still actually a couple degrees below the average. 100 degrees was the high today in Tucson, so we did get to triple digits, but the average is 102, so just right around where we should be for this time of year. But when is the rain coming? And that is the main thing that everybody wants to know. Well, the radar is looking nice and sunny and dry, but that is because of that dry air out there in the 20s. That is a very dry air. It was in the 50s when we were getting some of that rain, 40s, 30s, and now we're in the 20s. So no rain in sight for us. But that is all about to change, because as you can see on this moisture tracker, dry air for your 4th of July on Wednesday, which is great for those fireworks. But after Wednesday, we're going to see that monsoonal moisture move up into the area, and that means we could see some rain Thursday through Sunday. In fact, let's look at the GFS raincast. You can see by Sunday afternoon, 7/100 of an inch of rain in Tucson. Now that might not seem like very much, but taking a look at all of these numbers, 1/4 of an inch in Sierra Vista, almost 1/4 of an inch in Nogales, almost 1/2 an inch in Safford. And of course, these numbers can change over the next couple of days. But what it does mean is that we could see rain and monsoon 2018 make its way known Thursday through Sunday. But tomorrow is looking dry, 102 in the Tucson metro, 70s in the mountains, and 90s in Santa Cruz and Cochise counties. Tonight's temperatures will dip into the 60s for nighttime lows and will be in the triple digits for daytime highs. South and south